Hi kids, this is Vidya, mom of Vidya and Briha. Today I am going to tell you about one of the most favorite festivals that we celebrate in Hindu culture. Yes, you guessed it right. That is Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the idol of Ganesh, Lord Ganesha, our beloved Bal Ganesha. So this festival is for celebrating the birth anniversary of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is the son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. So I am going to walk you through how this festival is celebrated back at our home. Basically, we can bring home Lord Ganesha's idol, which can be made of clay or plaster of Paris. We can bring him at home for a period of 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, or 11 days. And at the end of these days, the next day is called as the Visarjan, where we immerse the Lord Ganesha's idol back into water in the nearby areas such as lake or river or sea. So in our homes, we bring home Lord Ganesha for 5 days. So first day is called as the Ganesh Stapana, where we perform a grand puja welcoming him, and we make him sit in the pandal or the huge decoration that we make for him, and we offer him his favorite prasadam, which is, yes, you guessed it right, the modaks, everyone's favorite, right? Bal Ganesha's favorite. So after that, all the days are full of puja, songs, bhajans. We sing aartis twice a day, once in the morning, once in the night, and everyone in the family asks for blessings and wisdom and prosperity from Lord Ganesha for everyone. And we have also a ritual of bringing home Lord Ganesha's mother, which is Goddess Parvati's statue, also at our home. It is at the last 2 days of Ganesh festival. We bring a statue or made up of either clay or plaster of Paris, or also of made of flowers. We bring her home and we decorate her. We offer him new clothes. Sorry, we offer her new sari and new jewelries, ornaments, and we make her sit beside her beloved Lord Ganesha. And then last 2 days are celebrated Lord Ganesha and Goddess Parvati together by offering them their sweet prasadams, favorite prasadams, and we sing bhajans, songs, aartis, etc., and ask for the blessings for us. And after the last day, which is the fifth day in our family, sixth day is called as the Visarjan day. This is also a very important day in the Ganesh festival. On the Visarjan day, everyone is dressed in new dresses. It's like a festive mood. Everyone is dressed very nicely. A lot of sweets and dishes are made, and to bid farewell to Lord Ganesha and Ma Parvati. And then a huge procession is carried out where Lord Ganesha is ideally, which it is to be carried on their head. The males or the gents carry the Ganesha statue on their head, and the ladies in the family, they carry Ma Gauri's statue on their head, and we go walking to the nearby lake, village, river, or sea. But in big cities like Mumbai or Pune, it is not possible to do so. So there, Lord Ganesha statues and idols of Goddess Parvati are put on a cart, and then they are taken to the river for or the sea for immersion. As you can see, it is a huge process. It takes around 3 to 4 hours. People are singing, dancing, enjoying the last day with Lord Ganesha, and you can hear they are singing Lord Ganesha Ganpati Bappa Moria Pudcha Varshi Laukar Ya. So this is the slogan. The kids are very enthusiastic. They are always singing this. Even the elders are enjoying this, and I will tell you what it means. It means, oh Lord Ganesha, please do come next year very, very early. We will miss you very much. We enjoy your stay out at our home, and we want you to come back next year again. So please do come early. And after saying this, we perform the last aarti as a family, as the society, all the people who are gathered on the seashore or on the river bank. We perform a big, huge one aarti for the Ganeshas, all the Ganesha idols there, and then we share prasadams with each other, and then we immerse the idols, both Lord Ganesha and Ma Parvati's idol, in the river, and we give them a farewell. And then we come back home. We bring little sand or stones from the river bank or the sea, and then we come back home, and we also perform a last aarti for that Ganesh festival, saying them a final goodbye. And then we again wait for the next year's Ganesh festival. So basically, this festival is for full, actually is meant for bringing all the family who are scattered nowadays all over the world to bring them together, where the families, relatives, extended families, they come together, they celebrate together, they stay together, they dance together, sing together, they enjoy together. We make lot of dishes. So basically this full period of 5 days, 7 days, 11 days, whatever it is for each and every family, it is fun filled, full of happiness, and that is the sole motive behind celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. I hope you enjoyed this and you learned something from this. And if you want to know more about the life of our beloved Lord Ganesha, there are two beautiful movies, cartoon movies for you to watch. There one is Bal Ganesha 1 and Bal Ganesha 2. Please ask your mommies to show them it to you during these holidays. And please enjoy, take care, and be safe. Bye.